University of choice, aspiring to improve management by developing individuals through a legacy of excellence, education, and compassionate value formation.
Mission, the Our Lady of Fatima University, together with Fatima Medical Science Foundation, Incorporation, is dedicated to the improvement of management through the holistic formation of individuals imbued with knowledge, skills, and values.
Through innovative learning strategies focused on a strong and updated academic foundation with enhanced industry skills and experience, a graduate of Our Lady of Fatima University is expected to be an achiever. In the community and the workplace, an OLFU graduate will be known as a person who will possess these attributes.
Graduate attributes. Achiever. A. Aspires to do his best. C. Credible and compassionate. H. Hardworking and honorable.
I. Inspiration to others. E. Efficient, effective, and ethical. B. Visionary.
E stands for entrepreneurial, employable, and excellent work habits. R stands for responsible. All puts new core values. Right. R stands for respect. Treating others with dignity, kindness, and empathy. Having positive regard for everyone and acknowledging their capabilities.
I is for integrity. Acting ethically and transparently in all business dealings. Prioritizing doing the right thing over personal gain. Being accountable, doing the right thing even if not.
S stand for service, providing a quality experience to our clients. We put others above ourselves. We make decision and action to benefit others. Service is being friendly and providing answers.
E stands for excellence, achieving the highest possible of standards of performance and quality, setting high expectations, continuously improving processes, and striving for excellence in all areas of work.